And then shall he send his angels, and shall gather together his elect from the four winds, from the uttermost part of the earth to the uttermost part of heaven. May God bless you. Amen. Chu mi huna chuan vantel ko te chu atir chuak anga a thlan te chu kol killi ata leito patanga van top thlingin alor khomang Isua zara a thlan te chu min lor khomang lalpan mal som che ro se. Amen.